Nice little mountain ash, is it? Berry tree on the route. Famous little bench on the way up. Nice for a picnic. Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me and Richard and we've come up Cwn Bychan. It's a copper mine, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've just seen a little audit over here. Adit, that's what you call them. Get it right. And you can see behind us probably some of the old pylons. What do you think they were doing? What's your opinion?
Well, that's it was an aerial ropeway.
Yeah.
Where they probably took the ore out to the adit there from the mine. And it probably transported back up the hill there, and I think back on down to Cwn mine, which I dare say they'd have a processing plant there.
So,
I've had a look on the net. There's not an awful lot about the place really. You know, it's more about Cwn than this. But
beautiful place though, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
You've got the heather out now. Yes, it's the bland blue skies you can see behind us, but like we said, to make a video, we're out enjoying it. So you get what we get, don't we? So anyway, we're going to get on, take a few photos, have a closer look at the pylons behind us, maybe go up to the stile, get a nice view of Snowdon. Be a bit hazy unfortunately, but
yeah,
it's a different view, it's different sides, so we'll pick you up after, and if you enjoy the video that'll be fantastic, you know, that's all we ask. Okay then, so enjoy the video, see you later.
See you soon.
Here we have another adit. You can see there's a copper mine, hence the colour of the water and the rocks. Some old building. Look at the view down there. That's Port Aberglaslyn. You can see down there, full of heather. This has just come to have a look. And we got the old pylons here, which are going up the side of Cwn Bychan, which we'll show you a bit closer later on. Another adit, getting overgrown these now, but as you can see underfoot here, be very squelchy. You'd need wellies, and where does it go? You'd need torches and everything. Very interesting of course, but yep, let's leave it untouched, eh? Looks like a little snake. Now at Llyn Dinas, far end of the lake. Right, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. We'll start to wrap it up here for today. There'll be quite a bit of drone footage, but we've just come out to Llyn Dinas. We haven't actually walked from Cwn Bychan because it would have been quite a bit of a walk, and then we'd have to walk back as well to the car, although you can do it. I have done it before in the past. So we thought we'd just do that walk, get in the car, come here. Thing is though, as usual, kids are on holiday now, so even in the quieter places, you're still going to get quite a little bit of people partying, picnic, swimming,
outdoor bits.
So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have, that thumbs up would be fantastic. But just before we go, that little chat today, it was just a little bit more about competitions, because what with the Euros just finishing, it got me thinking. And it's more of a question really, but how can you actually have or label it competition on anything that is subjective? So obviously we know about photography, we've talked about that in the past, but you know, what else can you think of anything straight away off the top of your head that is subjective?
Cookery?
Yeah, exactly, because how do you like your steak cooked?
Well, sometimes rare.
Oh, yeah. Medium rare for me. My wife would probably have it medium or even well done, but I know they'd work to a set of guidelines obviously, but even so there's 2 or 3 or 4. MasterChef, Great British Bake Off, and if you go to the guidelines, I suppose, how's a sponge, Victoria sponge cake got to be light, fluffy, good texture. What happens if somebody thinks, oh, I like a little bit more stodginess in mine?
That's it.
You know, it's subjective. But something like the Euros, you know, the best team will win the Euros. It's not subjective. You know, I know some people say, yeah, that sometimes the best team doesn't win, does it? Well, no, I disagree there, because there is an objective to the game. One, you know, you keep the ball out of the net that side, and you've got to put the ball in the net that side. So you might not be the prettiest team to watch, but you're not the best team if you can't stop the ball getting in your net or put the ball in that, you know, where it should do. You know, it's all part of the parcel, so the best team will win. The other thing that for me, for competition, what's the earliest competition, can you think?
What's that, sorry?
What's the earliest competition?
Earliest?
Yeah.
Well, I imagine the Olympics.
Yeah, there you go, yeah, exactly, that's what I was going to say. You know, if you're the fastest runner, it's not subjective about it, you're the fastest runner. You've won the competition, there's nobody better. If you can throw the javelin, discus shot, whatever it is, furthest, it's not subjective, you're the best. But photography, cookery, say another one. These game shows such as, or reality thing like The Voice, X Factor and all that crap. Yeah, that's what I think of it anyway. But yeah, you know, it's those 4 people have got to, like on The Voice for instance, turn their chairs, haven't they? First of all, you know, and you're thinking, and even they make mistakes sometimes, they claim themselves, you know, wish I would have turned for him or her. So yeah, it's all subjective, but I don't know, because it's always going to happen, isn't it? You're going to have competition, so how can you label it? The subjective competition based on these judges, bit of a mouthful, isn't it? You know? Yeah, so I don't know if there's another terminology that could be used, but competitions for me is anything that is not subjective. You're the winner, you're the best, that's it. But yeah, I don't know, you probably got your own thoughts. And it is only that, it's only the thoughts, you know, but it's with the Euros going on, I thought, well, you know, just for some reason sprang to mind, so there we go. Anyway, so yeah, that'll do. Bit of drone footage in this video, or maybe a bit shorter for you today, which is not a bad thing anyway, in my opinion. So I don't know where we're going next time, but wherever it is, you know what we're going to say, don't you? You stay safe, you have fun, and above all else, keep shooting. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye for now.